Today we introduce you to one of our factory tricycle, different from the traditional freight tricycle. This tricycle front more than a simple canopy. Rainy days are also able to travel with confidence. This car seat carriage size optional, 1.8 or 2 meters long, 1.2 meters wide. The front wheel is 400-12, 450-12 rear wheels. The front load mass of 1,000 kilograms. LED lens headlights. Intelligent LCD meter. Thickened hydraulic front shock absorbers. Electric wipers and other configurations. And is equipped with a convenient removable carport, a car more convenient.